Hi everyone. We thought of providing an update on the performance of our two $15 DIY garden arches that we made earlier today. This is August, and these two arches are covered in vines that are growing lots of food. Before we look at what is growing right now, let us quickly show you what grew on these arches in spring. During spring, we had these sugar magnolia peas growing on these arches. This variety can grow very tall, and our arches were able to support it very well. We had a very successful harvest of peas this year, and while the peas were flourishing, we transplanted noodle beans, pickling cucumber, Armenian cucumber, kukuzi, and loofah on both sides of these arches. Fast forward to summer, these arches are covered beautifully and make our garden look so dreamy. I am going to harvest some beans and cucumbers from this first arch. We harvested about 8 cucumbers from here 2 days ago. These vines have grown very large and the arches are spraying them very well. Let us harvest some kukuzi from the second arch. Kukuzi is much heavier than pickling cucumbers, and here we have 3 of them hanging down from this arch. Clearly it is providing good support to these fruits too, although I don't think we can have the very large pumpkins growing up this arch, but small pumpkins such as acorn or cantaloupes will be game. That is all we have for this video. See you all in our next video. Thanks for watching.